Look at the two equations below. Calculate the values of x and y using the substitution method. The first equation is the quantity x minus y divided by 2 plus the quantity minus y plus x divided by 3 equals -6. The second equation is the quantity minus y minus x divided by 5 minus the quantity y plus x equals 8. Let's solve the system of equations. First, multiply by 6 to get rid of the fractions. Make sure to open the parentheses and multiply each term. Next, combine the like terms. Great! This is our first simplified equation. Now, multiply by 5 to remove the fractions again. Remember to open parentheses and multiply each part. Combine the like terms once more. And here's the second simplified equation. Let's isolate x to find its value. We found x. Now we'll substitute it into the second equation to solve for y. Multiply everything by 5 to eliminate the fraction. Isolate y, just like we did with x. Great job! This is the value of y. Now insert the value of y back to find x. And there you have it. We've solved the problem.